can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, the Graph. Over the last 1 month, the Graph has lost 7.9% of its value. The big one is that it's down 31.8% for the last 1 year. Right now, altcoins are showing signs of life on a daily, on time frame, on a weekly time frame. It begs the $1 million question: how high can the Graph go in the coming days and the coming weeks? Is a new all-time high possible? Are we going to continue languishing down deep in gobbling town? Where are we going to get rejected when we start our rally to the upside? We look at the Graph's performance against the US dollar over the years. We look at the Graph's performance against Ethereum. It has been dumping to new lows. Is the bottom in? Also look at the Graph's market cap. Is a new all-time high possible? Bitcoin dominance is dumping. Historically, that led to epic pump in the altcoin market. Altcoin season around the corner. We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. The Graph currently trades around $0.08 with a market cap of $941 million and a fully diluted market cap of $1 billion. The Graph's all-time high came in on the 12th of February 2021. That was 5 years ago. We saw the Graph down 96.89%. From its all-time highs, the Graph's all-time highs was around $2.88. So why is it Graph down bad? The Graph's an indexing protocol for querying data for networks like Ethereum, IPFS, powering many applications in both DeFi and broader Web3 ecosystem. The altcoin market is very, very volatile, guys. Remember, these altcoins, the tech works, whether the tokens are down or the tokens are pumping to the moon. There's no guarantee that the tokens will pump to the moon, but historically, the tokens pumping to the moon has come at the end of a market cycle. We saw the Graph pumping in 2021. We saw it pumping aggressively, finally getting to an all-time highs. By the time we got to February, it was trading around the $2.7 level. But guys, since February of 2021, it's been down only for the Graph. We've been seeing it dumping aggressively. We've seen it lose 98% of its value, finally finding the bottom in November of 2022. But since 2022, it's been a wild ride. We have not seen those parabolic moves. Even though we have seen some pumps along the way, we have seen the Graph go from as low as $0.053. We've seen it pump to as high as the $0.5 level. That's an 800% pump. That pump ended in March of 2024. We saw the Graph at the $0.5 level. But remember, guys, volatility is your friend, not your enemy. The cryptocurrency market can be very, very volatile. The $0.5 level is proving to be difficult. Before we rally towards the $0.5 level, we still need to pass the $0.33 level in December of 2024. We saw altcoins, Bitcoin and Ethereum pumping to higher values. The Graph could only get to that $0.33 level. So we have to watch out. That might be another line in the sand where we might get rejected. From where we're currently trading, we need the Graph to pump by around 273% to get to the $0.33 level. And if we go higher than that, for us to get to the $0.5 region, the Graph needs to pull an epic 465% move to the upside. And that's very, very possible. That can happen very, very quickly. We have seen the Graph already do it in March of 2024. We saw the Graph go from as low as the $0.079 level. It was trading in October of 2023. By the time it got to March, it was already up 500%. So altcoins pumping is very, very quick, but those quick altcoins pump is why market price pans low. Those altcoins, we're trading volatility here, guys. You want to buy low, you want to sell high, you want to buy when there's fear in the market, and when greed returns back to the cryptocurrency market, you want to sell for some sweet profit. Before we get to all-time highs, there's still a lot of resistance along the way for the Graph. We'll still see huge rejections around the $1.33 level. From where the Graph is currently trading, for us to get to that $1.33 level, we need to see the Graph pump by more than 1,300%. And if we're going for the big one, the all-time highs, we need to see an epic 3,000% move to the upside. In the cryptocurrency market, you never want to say never. All things are possible. If you want to get some Graph for yourself, some Graph tokens, you can get it on Binance, on Bybit, on Coinbase Exchange, on Upbit, on OKX, on BitMEX, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins. Right now, sentiment is neutral in the cryptocurrency market. I believe at some point in time, in the nearest future, we're going to see greed heavily return to the cryptocurrency market, and Bitcoin is trading above $100,000, Ethereum is trading above $4,300. Those are high prices compared to the bear market bottom. Sentiment is neutral because market participants want more gains. They want higher prices. They want 200k Bitcoin. They want $8,000 Ethereum, and that's why Bitcoin dominance is dumping. Dumping Bitcoin dominance is usually good for the altcoin market. A dump in Bitcoin dominance means new market participants coming into the market skip Bitcoin, heading straight into the altcoin market, as altcoins right now are having a nice time. So guys, in the coming days and the coming week, watch out for sentiment to shift towards extreme greed, and watch out for Bitcoin dominance to continue declining, and that will lead us to that epic altcoin season we have all been waiting for. If you don't know what an altcoin season is, guys, if 75% of the top 50 coins do better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period, that is an altcoin season. And historically, an altcoin season usually marks the end of a market cycle. So the trick is to buy these altcoins before we get to altcoin season. When we get to altcoin season, you can sell them for some sweet profit. If you look at the graph's performance against Ethereum, it's been down only. It's dropped to new all-time lows. We have seen the graph lose more than 98% of its value against Ethereum. But remember, guys, the trend could easily change. Remember, guys, nothing lasts forever. We might be dumping to Goblin Town, but I'll not be shocked to see the graph pulling a 200 to a 500% move against Ethereum in the coming days and the coming weeks. That will liquidate a lot of bears. At the same time, that will create a lot of FOMO in the cryptocurrency market, where people will start buying all these altcoins that have been down bad. A lot of whales will start flipping their Ethereum and their Bitcoin gains into the altcoin market. And the graph is one place I think they will be shifting those gains into. If you look at the graph's market cap, for us to get to new all-time highs, there's going to be a lot of work along the way. We have seen the graph get to as high as the $4.5 billion level in March of 2024. That March of 2024, the rally was popping. We saw the graph's market cap shooting up by more than 1,100%. But we got stopped out at the $4.5 billion level. The previous all-time high saw the graph's market cap getting to as high as $6.2 billion. And if we're going to head back to the previous all-time highs, we need to pull a bender, we need to pull a fast one, we need to pull around a 600% pump to the upside, which is very good and which can happen very quickly. But remember, guys, you don't want to get carried away. If you look at the US dollar price chart, a 600% pump to the upside will not take us there. A 600% pump to the upside on the US dollar price chart, we just see the graph trading at the $0.41 level. And on the market cap chart, that will see it pumping to new all-time highs. It's because more graph tokens have come into circulation since when the graph was launched. Right now, almost all the tokens are in circulation. Drop your thoughts in the comment section, guys. Bitcoin dominance is dumping, altcoin season around the corner, sentiment in the cryptocurrency market is neutral, heading towards greed. Are you buying more graph tokens? Do you believe a new all-time high is possible? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.